Hello, my viewers. Welcome to my channel English Learning with Sumaya. Today we will learn grammar. Hey, if you want to learn more English lessons, grammar, and topics related to English, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon because next videos coming amazing one to increase your English and boost your English level. So please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon and have a fun with me. Today, our first lecture is on grammar. Parts of speech. Noun, I think, is basic pillar of a grammar. So we start with the noun. Today we learn, and our intention is to define what is a noun and identify noun in the text. Okay, what is a noun? A noun is a person, place, or a thing. A noun is referred to the different kind of person, places and things, people, place and the area where people are living and things. It is a building block of a sentence and tells us what we are talking about. If I talk about a person, then a specific type of a noun which identify a particular person, and it includes that Sarah. Okay, if I talk about a person, if I talk about any kind of place, then it would be Tokyo, London, or any kind of place. If I talk about thing, then it would be table, bed, or anything near you. So this is the basic part of noun, which represent everything in this world. It has name. It also known as naming word. We give name to everyone. We give name to a person, place, things. They have different names. Without names, we can't survive. So that is noun. Person. Okay, now we talk about a person. That would be girl, boy, teacher, coach, mom. Every profession that is related to a person, that is a noun. Okay, now we will identify the noun. The boy fell over. So what will be the noun? Yes, boy is the noun because it's talk about a specific person. This is the boy, and boy is a person. It's not a name, but boy is a person. So it's related to a human being, person. That's why it's a noun. On the other hand, we talk about a place, hospital, school, house, Australia, city. This is the places, which also known as noun. Okay, now we identify the noun. London is a great city to visit. Here is two noun of a place. London and a city. London is a great city to visit. So London and city is a noun because this is about a place. Thing. We will talk about a thing which is a noun. That will be shoe, butterfly, book, sandwich, every kind of thing nearby you. You can say it is a noun. Anything which you can eat, burger you can eat, sandwich you can eat, book you can read, shoes you can wear. So the things all around you are using, that is noun. Identify the noun here. Okay, you have to identify the noun here. The boat sailed through the wind. The boat sailed through the wind. So what would be the answer? Yeah, boat and wind is the noun here. Uh, boat is using as a subject here, and wind as an object. Wind, it is a noun. It This word has versatility. We can use it as a verb also, and but now here it is used as a noun because it's depend that how that word is used in the context. That's why it's changed, become noun or verb. So noun identify the subject and the object. It identifies the values of subject and object, which plays very vital role in the sentence and tells us what we are talking about. And the subject for whom we are talking about, that is a object. Okay, how many nouns can you see? How many nouns are here? The cat was so tired he fell asleep on the mat. So cute. Cat, so cute, so elegant, just looking like a wow. So we can say that. So here is two noun. Yeah, cat and mat. Cat and mat. Cat is a subject and also noun, and mat is a thing. So this is both of they play roles of noun. So because we are saying that mat was a tired cat was a tired and the mat, she's sleeping on the mat. So as subject and object, both things are working together, noun. We will talk about types of noun, two types of noun. There are further more types of noun. In next video, we will explore that one. Uh, but now we learn a common noun and proper nouns. Nouns can be further divided into two, common and proper. Okay. We will discuss that common nouns and proper nouns. Common nouns refer to general things and proper nouns refer to a specific things. Common noun is the things which are commonly used, like city, world, boys, girls, that are not specific. Boys are so many thousand of boys in the world. Teachers are thousand of teachers in the world. City, there is lot of city in the world, but proper noun is about that mentions specific person, specific place, and specific thing. Like she is living in Sydney means Sydney is the word I highlight the specific word Sydney, that she is living in the Sydney. Aisha is very intelligent girl. Then we can say that Aisha, I prefer to the Aisha. If I say my students is very intelligent, so I have a lot of students. I can't say that uh, with the name. When I use the name, it means I telling specific my specific student. So that is the proper noun. If I tell about students, then it would be a common noun, because students are a lot of students in the world. There is a lot of cities, a lot of countries, a lot of things. And if we talk about specific thing, that would be a proper noun, and proper noun is always capitalized. That will be capital because the mm, specific things are always capital. Okay, now there is a difference between common noun and proper noun. Boy, boy, there are lots of boys in the world, so this is the common. But Indru is the special boy, because if I mentioned about Indru, any kind of person with the name, then it would be a specific and a proper. Month, there are 12 months. I don't know what month I'm going to talk about, so this is the common. If I talk about specific month, January, then it would be a proper. Teacher, there are a lot of thousands of teacher in the world. If I talk about specific Miss Smith teacher, then it would be a special and specific teacher. So it would be a proper noun. And you see that all the proper nouns starting with capital letters. Country, country. If I talk, there are a lot of countries. If I talk about a specific country, then it would be a proper. If I only mention the country, then it would be a common, but it would be a noun. Religion, there are so many religions in the world, Christianity, Muslims, Hinduism. But if we talk about specific religion, then it would be proper noun. So this is the difference between common noun and proper noun. I hope you understand. Proper nouns start with a capital letter. As I mentioned before, proper nouns always start with a capital letter, and because these are specific and special names, that's why it's a proper noun. Identify the common nouns. Okay, now we are finding common nouns in the text. Dr. Jones enjoys hiking in the Andes mountain range and riding horses. What is common noun here? Which one is common? I think you understand. Yeah, that you are right. Horses are the common because we did not mention the name of a horse. One of my neighbors, they bought a pet. They keep the name of that pet parrot, Anila parrot. So that become a specific parrot because they give name to that parrot. There are a lot of parrots in the world, but if you give name to a specific animal or person, then it would be special one. But if there is no name, then it would be a common. So here, Dr. Johnson enjoys hiking in the Adams mountain range and riding horses. Horses, there are so many horses, so that's why it's a common noun. Identify the proper noun. Dr. Jones enjoys hiking in the Adams mountain range and riding horses. So, which one is the common noun? Proper noun, sorry. Proper noun is Dr. Jones and Adams mountain. Yes. Dr. Johnson added mountains because the name of Dr. Johns is mentioned. If here would be only a doctor, then it would be common noun. But here Dr. Johns, the name is mentioned of the doctor. That's why now it's a proper noun. And here is a Adams mountain. The name, specific name of the mountain is mentioned. That's why it's a proper noun. If there is written only mountain, then it would be a common noun because it's talk about a specific thing. Addens is a specific mountain. That's why it's a proper noun. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoy a lot my class, and if you want to learn more with me English lessons, please subscribe my channel because in the future I will also upload specific books and movies. I also explain and share with you such amazing videos will come in future, and you will definitely enjoy my lessons. Thank you very much. English Learning with Sumaya. Thank you very much on my channel. If you want to contact with me, you can email me on www.roserani095 at hotmail.gmail.com. Thank you so much.